This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix Face ID and passcode settings not showing or missing on iPhone settings. So if you can't see this Face ID and passcode option in your iPhone settings, follow these quick solutions to fix this issue. The first solution is restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can fix this kind of issues. So restart your iPhone and check the issue. The second solution is update your iOS version. Go to your iPhone settings, tap on General, tap on Software Update. If you see any update available, then update your iPhone iOS version and check the issue. The third solution is turn off content and privacy restrictions. Go to your iPhone settings, scroll down, tap on Screen Time, Content and Privacy Restrictions. Disable Content and Privacy Restriction, and then check the issue. The last and final solution is reset all settings. Open your iPhone settings, scroll down, General, scroll down, Transfer or Reset iPhone, reset all settings. Once done, hope your Face ID and passcode settings will be available in your iPhone settings. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5 minutes solution. See you in the next video.